Hey everyone, so in this video I am going to do an unboxing of a giveaway I won. I won a mystery diamond painting from, do you say it, Cateared Diamond Painting. And in this video we'll be doing an unboxing and see what we got in this box. So stay tuned. Alright, so let's get started with this unboxing. It is a mystery diamond painting, and how you can tell is that it has the mystery on it. So I don't know what it is. I don't even know which one is in the box because, like I said, I won this in a giveaway. So this is from the Cateared Diamond Painting, and if I'm saying that wrong, I'm sorry. But let's open the box and see what you got inside. So in this box, we got, ooh, look at this. So I'm excited. Oh, gosh, look. So in one of their kits, you can do pick different kits. They are on Amazon, and I'll put the link to that in the bottom of the description. But in this kit, you get a hand-turned acrylic pen, resin pen, with your kit. And it comes with a 3-placer. But I got a green one, so that's nice. I don't have any of these type of pens, and I've been looking to see if I wanted to purchase one or not. And so, cool, I got one to try. So, it's pretty big, lightweight, not really heavy, so I'm excited about that. And then, let's open this canvas up to see what we got. So, here's the canvas. And it looks like this design, there's no color, that's why it's a mystery one, because there's no color. But it does look like there's a circle in here. Because you can kind of see with the shapes that it's a circle. But this is why it's a mystery diamond painting, because there's no color at all. You have your symbols over here, which is numbers and letters. So it's 1 through 9 and then A through S. There's 25 different colors, just a little small snack size. So this is really neat. Pretty cool. And then, again, you have your, this looks like you should have your inventory kit, I guess. Like I said, I've never done this, but I guess on this side it says some. So this is how many colors you're going to use of each one. So, of course, there's 310, and it looks like, oh, no, that's not the most you're going to use. The most you're going to use is 939, number 18, on here. And it is a square one. So the drills are square, and they're kind of dark, like dark color. And it looks like they come in bags. So let's open up some of these. I'm not going to open up all of them. So, but they do come already in their Ziploc bags. So if you like working with Ziploc bags, then this is already kitted for you if you like to use the other stuff. So the drills look pretty good. They're squared. So these are your 310. Nice little 310s there. And then let's see. Looks like those look almost like 310, but I think those are a blue color. Yeah, like a light blue. So it looks like they're mainly blue colors. I don't want to get them all out because they're in. So like navy blues and dark blues and all that. And I thought there was an AB color, but I'm not seeing the AB drill, so it does not look like this has any AB colors in it. So we'll have to see when I get done. I don't know when I'll be able to do this one because I got a whole bunch to do. But this is a fun little snack size. If y'all guys wanted to check it out, I'll put a link to Amazon to their thing. But that looks pretty neat. Can't wait to see what the design is. What it actually is. But yeah, so most of the colors are blues and grays and light blues, so makes you wonder what it could be. So if you want to have a mystery painting, check them out. They do have a Facebook website and a Instagram, so check them out. And I was so glad that I won. And like I said, oh, I didn't even see the toolkit. Oh, cool. So with this one, you get the white tray, which seems a little bit bigger, and then you get this cute little wax caddy. Look at that big wax you get with it. So you get some big wax in there. Pink wax, of course, but it's big pink wax, and it's this cute little macaroon or macaron container. So their toolkit, if you can decide on Amazon the different toolkits you get. With this one, it looks like I got the more deluxe one. So you got the nicer pen and the nicer wax caddy. So that's pretty cute. That's very exciting. Thank you for my giveaway, who I won, and I'll be tagging her in my Instagram post for that. So thanks for the giveaway. I'm very excited to start when I get a chance. The canvas is poured glue. Definitely sticky, as you can see, to pull up that. But yes, very nice stickiness. A thicker canvas. But excited to start when I get a chance with this square snack size. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment below if you'd like to.